Welcome to Voice Bootcamp. Hi, my name is Faisal Khan, the CCIE Voice instructor at voicebootcamp.com. In this module, we'll be discussing the Cisco Unified Presence integration with Call Manager. Now, Presence Server is basically allows you to collect information about users' availability and communication capability. Most cases, Presence could be used to find out whether the current employees or somebody you're trying to reach are available or not. It's facilitate the Presence-enabled communication for Cisco Unified Communication and critical business applications such as Outlook or CRM. The idea of Presence is, for example, if you take a look at example of a receptionist, a reception generally receives maybe hundreds of calls for very high volume organizations. When he or she receives a call for, let's say, John, and she now has to transfer the call to John. If John is not available, the phone will ring for let's say 4 rings and it'll go to voicemail. And then at that moment she realized that John might not be available to take the call, so she has to come back to the user saying, well, sorry, John is not available, would you like his voicemail? And user might say yes or no. If you say yes, then she has to re-forward the call back to the John's extension. So what really happened here is that she has just lost maybe anywhere between 10 to 20 seconds worth of her time. Now if you multiply by that by, like, say 200 calls, that's a lot of money for a lot of organizations. So Presence could be using he or she could be using the Presence on a desktop, so that when he or she search for the extension, it will automatically tell her that or him that the Presence status of that user, and chances are that he or she will be busy or may not be available. Some sort of notification will be there, so that the reception do not have to waste that extra 10 to 20 seconds. Another advantage of Presence is this. Let's assume a sales department receives a call regarding a product, and now there's a technical questions regarding the product that he or she does not know. What he or she can do while is still on the phone with the customer, using a Presence client, could be chatting with the development team and say, hey, does this software provide these features? So what the salesperson is doing is doing multitasking and providing better service to the customer by having access to multiple departments at the same time. So using a Presence, you could be talking to somebody at the same time, chatting with someone else at the same time, having a web conference with somebody else, and emailing as well at the same time. So all these features are tightly integrated with Cisco Presence Client. Now, a Presence can operate in 2 modes, either on a Cisco Unified Communication mode up to 30,000 servers, or interoperability with Microsoft Office Communicator, which can support 10,000 users. Presence can also be integrated with the